You're gonna have a lot of people with garage envy. I'm just letting you know.
It's not even that great of a garage.
Alright guys, today we're doing the exhaust. So I got it loaded up in the back. Heading over to my, oh my gosh. Sorry. So got it loaded up in the back, going to my neighbor's house. And we're gonna do it at his house. He literally lives 2 houses down from my house. Okay, I'm already at his house. That's decent. That won't hit it. We're good.
Sometimes they're close and it worries me.
Oh yeah. So this one doesn't have resonators.
I see that. It is a sexy exhaust, I'm not gonna lie.
And I know you don't care, but you're going on YouTube, so.
Oh, alright.
Gonna get right up on the T case.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that's your differential.
Differential. You don't need me to put my parking brake on or nothing, right?
No.
Okay. Say it's all-wheel drive, so.
Oh, it is perfect.
Yeah.
Even better.
That's about stock ride height right there. Put a lift kit on her.
No, it's sexy.
Yeah, it's maxed out.
That's all we got.
For anyone who's never worked on an exhaust, always use jack stands. Do not let it sit on the frickin' jack, because that jack gives out and you're underneath the car and you got no jack stands. You're dead or very seriously injured. Make sure you have a redneck friend that can help you with everything you're doing. I was debating headers, but I think that might be too loud. Yeah, I know. It's so close to the ground.
Yep. Yeah, they were kind of hanging off a little bit.
Yeah,
Did
I
you
saw
try
that.
to,
No, I didn't touch them.
Really?
Yep.
That's weird. I mean, there's no nipples or nothing to even hold them on. Normally they'll put...
The new exhaust has them.
Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah, like that.
Yeah, I was gonna say, because I know all the exhausts I've ever had to deal with, they all have those on them
Yeah.
to stop them from coming off.
So that'll be good. That'll help keep it on.
How'd you feel about installing headers? LOL, JK.
Yeah. Yeah, good thing you followed that.
Yeah, no, that'd go to a shop for that, because there's a lot of stuff you got to take off to get those in and out. So.
Yep.
You're gonna have a lot of people with garage envy. I'm just letting you know.
It's not even that great of a garage.
Well, we got the nice toasty fire in the corner. Got the giant snap-on tool set. I had new bolts, but they didn't come with any nuts. So.
Hopefully we got everything we need then?
Yeah.
Where are clamps and everything?
I got them back here. I'm just going to get those. And this is this exhaust is actually meant to retain the factory tips, which I don't have. So I'm just gonna run them like that for now. I have them coming in tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
So I'll put them. I can put them on tomorrow.
All right. We spent all that time getting it jacked up and trying to make sure we got everything.
So I'm hoping that the nuts that they have on there fit.
They will not.
They won't.
Nope.
Well, balls.
Those are smaller bolts.
Think we can use those bolts?
Those are bigger holes. Probably not.
Woo-wee.
So we actually need washers and.
Yeah, that's all they sent me in the kit. They didn't send me washers, nuts. This was their last set in stock, though. Think NAPA would have that stuff?
Yeah, it'll have something.
All right, so you want to run there real quick? I ain't trying to take all your time.
No, that's all right.
Plus, it'll get my car a minute to cool down anyway.
Yeah. No, yeah, we're good. I'm not worried about it.
Okay.
I just want to make sure we're not going to need anything else.
Good call, good call.
Clamps, snaps. Top lock nuts, you know them crimped on the top.
Nah, the only thing that I'll have would be like a lock washer.
All right, yeah. So that's 4 lock washers, 8 flat washers, and then 4 nuts. That'll fit that. Some hair rests on them, you know.
Oh, it's the Mercedes. Creepers.
So, yeah, do you know what to test on? I don't know if Greg is down there.
I remember when it was just a piece of wood with 6 wheels on the bottom that wouldn't go in the direction you wanted to go in.
Yep. That's pretty much like mine.
Yeah.
So old.
Yeah. It's my dad had one at my grandpa's house, and it was like that. It was basically like a piece of plywood, and it had like one thin layer of red leather on top of it, and then 6 wheels that were all going in different directions. So, yeah, that's about right. You want me to do anything for you?
No.
Just sit back and watch it look good?
Yeah.
Cool. I can do that.
A little bit of rust there.
A little bit. Still warm or is it cooled down?
Nah, it's cooled down. It's a nice thing about doing exhaust work in the wintertime.
Yeah. Cools off real quick.
Yep.
Make this super special fancy tool for this. See if it'll actually work.
Is it a spreader? Kind of.
Yeah.
Supposed to pop it off?
Yeah, not able to get it up to throw.
Yeah, 'cause no matter what, we're hitting
Oh, yep.
This side.
nah. It ain't gonna work.
Same size?
No.
Shocker. Why make things too easy, you know?
This is a bigger pipe.
Yeah.
Or the clamps need to be.
Is that
Maybe a
clamp
little
cracking? Or is it just rust?
It's rusting, but it is cracking.
So it's time for new anyway?
Yeah.
Is an idiot?
Yeah.
Can we...
Let the jack down.
How much all the way?
Yeah, until I say stop. Alright, stop. Alright, now walk away.
Well, now you know what we have to do, right?
What?
You have to start it with no exhaust on it. See what it sounds like. I'm sure it'll be fine.
Uh-huh. Yeah, especially.
Here. You have to push the button, it won't let you rev it because I auto started. That sounds good. That was a request from Casey.
Okay.
He's like, make sure you start it without the exhaust on it. I want to hear it. So yeah, he said they were saying that it was cracked around the resonators. What?
Can't believe I didn't notice that.
Oh, those are different.
Yeah.
This was built for my car though. Might want to lay it on top of it and make sure that it's actually the same. Yes, same everything. And they line up in the same spot.
Mm-hmm.
One of them's just twisted.
Oh yeah.
Is there another one up there? Or
Nope.
no?
They took off the factory hanger to put this
Are you serious?
aftermarket on. Yep.
Can you turn it?
Nope.
You can't just like twist it?
No, that won't twist.
I don't know. I was trying to think of something.
That was cute, though.
Well,
See how I let you try it.
yeah, I know. I got it.
Yeah, I mean, it's not going to be a huge amount of stress, but those gaskets are not in good shape. We should definitely get new gaskets. Call NAPA, see if they've got it.
All right. You gonna jack it up again?
Yeah, back on the jack. Alright, right there.
They have flat hardware here where it should not be, because you can't put a donut in here, a donut gasket like you're supposed to be able to. And they have aftermarket hangers which require you to change the hangers on the vehicle, so the vehicle does not have the stock hangers, so I'm gonna have to go get those replaced. And the bolts that they sent are meant to retain your factory springs, which this did not come with, so we had to go buy more bolts. It's okay, Ryan's super happy.
Yeah. So happy. Oh, what makes it even better is the guys NAPA gave us a standard nut into the mix. So
Do we have to go back again?
one of those nuts we can't even use it over time.
144, we booked it. Alright, so what, third trip to Napa? Alright, so essentially it's taken us about an hour and a half just to get the old exhaust on. Or off, I should say. Get the old exhaust off. Okay. So I had to buy all new hardware. still need to get the exhaust donut. I have the tips coming in tomorrow. Need to get new hangers. And then we'll be alright. How bad do you think that's gonna leak?
Probably horribly.
Really? Because that was my main goal, doing this entire thing, was to get rid of the leak. But I think it's probably gonna sound just as bad. Leaking out of that is wood out of a cracked resonator, right? But at least my new pipes are shiny.
Yep.
That's all that matters, right?
Line up that pipe.
It's good though, right?
Yeah, I'd like to see a little bit more space, but
I mean, it's not going to hit it if I hit a bump or something?
shouldn't, no.
Push the start button. Sounds good. How bad's it leaking over there?
Huh?
How bad's it leaking?
I can't really hear it.
Really? Here. You gotta listen to it, dude. That crackle.
That sounds mean, dude.
Very nice.
And I like how right now it's actually pretty tame.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you can smell that. But I like how it's pretty tame, like when it's just at idle. This is probably quieter than the other exhaust when it's idling. But when you get on it, that sounds way different.
Yeah. No, I like it. So once you get the tips and everything, we may have to readjust stuff
Okay.
because once you put the tips on,
They might not line up perfect.
yeah.
Yeah.
And there's no way for me to tell. until
Right,
we
right,
get the
right.
tips on there.
Okay. Yeah, like I said, I'm getting those. Yeah, so you can see. Oh yeah, dude, this is way quieter than it was before. Because before, like from the side, you could hear it bad. Yeah, dude, that's so much quieter on the side. You figured it out.
I hate your gear shift. It's so nice to work on somebody's car that is the same height as me. I don't have to change shit.
Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, dude, that, even like being in the car, that already sounds so much better. Because like sitting here, you can actually hear it and feel it underneath the floor. Got a nice growl to it. sounds really nice.
That sounds real nice.
Even with the crappy donut and all that crap that we went through, that sounds pretty good.
Okay, maybe we'll just like continue on
Yeah,
through
sure.
the intersection.
Awesome. Yeah, that does sound really nice. And it's I'm sorry, dude, I just can't get over the fact that all the exhaust, like the sound is coming from the rear. I just can't get over that. Here we go. Not too bad.
Yeah, that popping may be because of the exhaust leak. We got to get that fixed before we, or that may just be the way this exhaust sounds.
I think that's just the way that it sounds. Yeah, I think that's just the way that it sounds. That's so weird having all the sound come out of the back. I'm so not used to that. I mean, even given all the crap we went through, I'm pretty satisfied with the way that it turned out.
Yeah, like right now at idle.
Yeah.
This is pretty nice. It's not overpowering.
Right,
it's
right.
not killing your eardrums, but you still get a little bit something to know it's there.
Mm-hmm.